Specification. Voltage. 115 volts horsepower, 1/150th HP overall dimension, 6.3 by 6.1 by 4.3 inches item weight, 4 pounds. The Little Giant pump is designed for in-pan placement. The 1ABS shallow pan pump offers next-generation technology for air conditioner condensate removal. Totally submersible pump with a built-in, advanced mechanical switch that automatically triggers operation when condensate in the pan or reservoir reaches a preset level. Automatic shutoff occurs when the condensate level drops. Low weight, compact size, high lift, and quiet operation make the Little Giant line of ABS pumps perfect for in-pan condensate and another wastewater removal. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Shallow pan tank style designed for in-pan mounting. Number 2. Bottom intake with 10 feet. Maximum lift. Number 3. Stainless steel shaft. Number 4. 6 feet. Power cord with 3-prong molded plug. Number 5. Integral float activated switch and thermal overload protection. Number 6. Designed for use with air conditioners and dehumidifiers. This Little Giant 1ABS 115-volt pump consists of a sealed, submersible pump and float switch. The 1ABS offers low on and off levels and is designed for in-pan placement for condensate removal of air conditioners and dehumidifiers. Suitable for use with 1/2-inch ID vinyl tubing. This system can also be used for hydroponic applications that require intermittent pump cycling and water flow. Number 7. Automatic on-off operation. The Little Giant 1ABS automatically turns on at 1 to 3/4 of an inch and off at 1 to 1/2 inch. Number 8. With or without a tank. 2 units are available. 550,521 consists of the pump and switch only. Pump and switch are approximately 6.09 inches wide by 5.9 inches deep by 4.31 inches high. 550,522 consists of the pump, switch and includes a tank measuring 8.62 inches long by 4.36 inches wide by 3.5 inches high. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.